il a peinturé le machin.
There's a lot of talk about the health situation.
Yeah, for instance, we were calling a lot to ensure that the big corporate companies have an obligation to reduce their own emissions, climate emissions, and it's not in the law at all because the French government doesn't want to put any new constraint of the French firms because they want to protect them. This is what we are saying, and it's very disappointing as well because if the big corporate companies don't have any obligation to reduce their own climate emissions, there is no chance to achieve the final objective and to ensure we respect the Paris Agreement. So. And on many other topics like air transport or housing renovation, etc., the members of the parliament decided to postpone what should be done right now. So at the end, this law is very weak, very slow, and will not ensure that France is going to transform the society like we should do if we want to tackle climate change seriously. I'm not saying that it's easy to transform the society and to fight climate change, but at the beginning it was a promise made by Emmanuel Macron himself. From the very beginning of his mandate, he pushed strongly and he has been very vocal on climate issues. He has been opposing Donald Trump when Donald Trump said that the US will withdraw from the Paris Agreement, so it was one of the pillars of climate of Emmanuel Macron policies. So. In that way, it's very disappointing because he promised a lot, he claimed a lot, but at the end, this law is very weak and very slow. So. En fait, si on est là, c'est qu'on est extrêmement déçu de la loi telle qu'elle va être votée aujourd'hui à l'Assemblée nationale, parce que cette loi, je le rappelle, au départ, elle était censée permettre à la France de réduire de 40% ses émissions de gaz à effet de serre à l'horizon 2030. Déjà, cette ambition, elle est trop faible par rapport à ce que la science climatique nous impose, mais aujourd'hui, ce qu'on voit dans le texte, c'est que cette loi ne permettra même pas d'atteindre ça. Et dans tous les domaines, on a le sentiment que les échéances sont bien trop tardives et que les mesures sont bien trop faibles finalement.